This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video.
I'm gonna refresh it one last time. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Come on! I mean, that's huge. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mikey. I woke up late today and I decided to start my morning, actually it's afternoon, with working on my budget because one of my subscribers asked me to put to the test this crypto-themed minigame, like nothing serious at all. I don't expect anything like whatsoever. And in this video I'm gonna do exactly that. I'm wondering what's gonna happen, what the gameplay looks like, and in this video I'm gonna find out. And basically, I'm gonna start with adjusting these settings. It's no big deal at all, I'm just following the steps. And while I'm doing this, guys, I wanted to say that everything that I'm showing here is just my random experience. I'm not a financial advisor, and by the way, this video is only for those aged 18 and older. If you're underage, you should turn this video off immediately. And basically, yeah, there's one important thing that you should never repeat anything that I'm showing here. Alrighty, so I'm just following the steps. I'm dropping in the chat this thing. Yeah, I guess this is the last thing I'm gonna drop in the chat, and basically, it's loading. It's loading. Alrighty. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go to this next step. I'm gonna speed up the video because I don't want to waste your time. You can watch this moment without speeding up in one of my other videos so that you make sure that everything is transparent and fair. Alrighty, and yeah, that was fast. That's just great. So I can hit this button and I'm gonna go ahead to this. And basically, yeah, that looks pretty interesting. And now I'm just wondering what this gameplay is gonna look like. It's gonna be interesting. Okay, so basically, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open here. Yeah, this one in the middle looks great, looks perfect. So far, so good. Okay, and here at the bottom. Yeah, just like that, That looks fascinating. I mean, that feels fascinating. And, okay, I'm gonna keep this momentum going, guys. Give me just a sec. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna drop this test amount that I'm totally fine losing. You know, it's just an experiment and I never expect anything. It's just for fun. Yeah, looks beautiful. No, I'll tell you what, that looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. Okay, that feels great and I'm totally enjoying this gameplay. And you know what? I'm gonna give it one more go. I'm gonna keep this momentum going here, guys. Okay, give me just a sec here. Alright. And I'm just wondering what's gonna happen next. Like I said, no expectations. Okay, here. I guess 3 more. 1 in the middle, 1 on the left side. Yeah, looks perfect. And this last one at the bottom. And yeah, that feels amazing. I mean, it's a pure joy. And yeah, this gameplay is something. Okay, but here's what I'm gonna do next. Give me just a sec. I'm just gonna drop this thing here, and basically, here comes the most fascinating part of this video because, like, I don't have any expectations. I'm just wondering what's gonna happen next. I'm just gonna go back here, and I'm gonna drop this thing right here. Yeah, like no big deal at all. That looks great. And yep, it's done. Okay, alrighty, so I'm just gonna go back here. I'm gonna start refreshing. Basically, nothing happens, but it's okay. Maybe, I don't know, it's gonna take some time, but I have all the time in the world. I'm under my blanket, by the way. Yeah, I'm gonna show you this view, magnificent view, and it feels great. Yeah, I was just slipping in, and that was a magnificent morning. Okay, but now I'm gonna continue refreshing this thing, and basically nothing happens, and Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna give it like 10 seconds, and then I'm just gonna wake up, and I'm gonna go about my business, and yeah, the experiment will be over. But okay, I'm gonna refresh it one last time. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Come on. I mean, that's huge. I'll tell you what, it's just how it is. All the details are here.